Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is based upon Google listing. I'm going to talk about what is Google listing, why it is important, how we will be doing Google listing, and why should business go online. So let us begin. So now let us start with the basic question. Have you listed your business in Google? If no, then this is a high time you need to list your business in Google. Let us start with how, why. In detail, we are going to cover everything. It is found out that the online retail market in India is approximate 25% of the total organized retail market. And as per the Economic Times, 62% of the small and medium businesses in India, they use websites or online store or e-commerce platform. So if you are one among those whose business is not online, then what are you waiting for? See, the basic purpose of any business is to earn profit. When you make your business presence online, it will help your business reach out to as many people as possible. Not only to those who were earlier your customers in the local area where you belong, but rather globally, at a global level, each and everyone who will be searching for the requirement that they have or any kind of a problem solution that you are providing, your business is also going to be visible to these people. For example, I want to search something online. Say for example, best business schools near me. There are lists of schools which are available. You can see with the Google map, you can see the name of the college. And you can also see the directions. You can see in the Google map over here, you can easily see where is it located if I have to drive to that place and go. So this is possible only when you have listed yourself in the Google and linked it with the Google map. So these colleges are visible to me only for the fact that they have listed themselves. So you are one among those. If you have a business but is not listed, it will also not be visible to the person who's searching it online. So let us talk about what are the major takeaways in this lecture. Why you should list in Google. What are the benefits of listing in Google? How do you take your business online? How to list your business in Google? How to make your profile in Google My Business? And how to get a free domain. And also how to create your website that is free. So now we will talk about why you should go online. The very first reason is it has a huge income and growth potential. So when you go online, it will help you increase the footfall. Now what do you understand by the footfall? People who will be finally coming to your store physically. So these are going to be the people not just belonging to your own city or your own small town. People from globally are going to be available because they'll be knowing your existence in the market. Second is your low operating cost. Why the low operating cost? Because there is no cost with respect to transportation, warehouse, inventory, and so on. Next is your available 24/7. When you are online, you are available 24/7. That is that you're making lot of money even when you're sleeping. Next is flexibility of time and space, because it's not just associated or limited to one area. It is available to everybody who is going online. Okay, now we are going to talk about the benefits and why it is so important for the small business. The very first reason is it can easily be discovered by people. See, if you have an online presence or you have registered yourself online, anybody all across the globe who is searching for a specific solution or a specific kind of a product, which even you are also providing, so therefore you will be available, you will be visible to that person. Okay, so what is happening? Obviously your footfall will increase, people will be more aware about you, and your online presence will actually increase your profit. Next is it is absolutely free. Now registering yourself in Google, making a profile in Google, and listing yourself is absolutely free. There are no charges for it. So why not go for it? Then next is integrate with Google Maps. As I had showed in the example just now, if I am searching something, a particular kind of a product, and I'm new to that particular area, so your Google map is actually helping me get the directions where I can easily locate the particular area. Last is your customer reviews. So this simply means when anyone is looking for a particular product or the service online, he'll be provided with the list of multiple options. What option should he actually choose for? He would look for the customer feedback probably. So he would probably judge you or analyze you on the basis of what people have left the reviews. So that would help anybody to come to a final decision whether to come to the particular store, whether to go for a particular kind of a product or not. We are going to talk about how are you going to list yourself in Google My Business. I'm going to practically also show you what are the basic requirements. In this case, you need to have a Gmail account or the email ID. Yes, your Gmail email ID. Then next you should have some photos of your business or the products or the services that you're providing to give more authenticity to the kind of products or your business. Okay. Then the third one is your location or the business or the office address, because this is also very necessary when you are actually going to link it with your Google map. Therefore, it's going to easily help you locate. I am going to first type Google My Business. They have mentioned over here as an example the business, one picture that they have, image that they have posted, and even the area. You can easily see they have listed it or they have linked with the Google Maps, so the location can also be traced easily, and every detail, whatever time it is open and at what time it will be closed, all the details are easily available. Now we are going to straight away click to manage now. Now you can see the page that is start building your business profile, and here I'm going to type the name of the business. For example, I'm typing Perfect Coaching. So there are many coaching centers which are available by this name. So let us try another name so I can get to know this also. Now I'm typing Must Do Coaching. Now there is no such business by any such name. Now I'm going to type business category. It is providing me with only these options. Okay. For example, I'm typing the Banking Entrance Coaching Center. Otherwise, what I'm going to do is I'll have to change the business name. I can change the business name. Instead of Must Do Coaching, Must Do Teaching or Must Do Learning, I can try that also. Click on next now. So do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a shop or an office? What is it doing? This location will show up on the Google map. Yes, I want to. So I'm going to click next. Then you have enter your business address. So because I'm writing a tentative one, I'll be writing over here the state also, and I'm clicking on next. Where are you located? I'm clicking on adjust. For example, it is here. If I have to reset it, for example, I'm going to reset it. Otherwise, I'm doing done. Click on next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? I have written yes. Add the areas you serve. So I'm writing Bangalore also. This is also in India. If I can provide the business products overseas, I'm mentioning Canada. I'm providing London, UK. Yes. So this is, I've just mentioned it for an example. What contact details do you want to show to the customers? So because I'm an Indian, I have an Indian number and website. Website here optional is mentioned. Click on next. Better you provide the contact number and if you have the website both, because that is going to give more authenticity. Now there is a verification. Select a way to get verified. Google needs to verify that you manage this business. Get a code via text or voice call to this number. I've mentioned there is a business video. Record a video of your business, show your location, equipment and proof of management. We will do it verify later. My businesses won't be visible until unless I don't verify it. So your contact number has to be an authentic contact number, because they will be calling you or they'll be sending you a code. Then is your add your services, because I had mentioned over there I'm writing maybe full-time courses, online classes, mock interviews, part-time courses. Just select it randomly. Next. Okay, now customize your profile. Add opening hours. For example, I'm open on Monday also. Tuesday my business is open. Saturday I want to keep it as off. Sunday I want to again open it. I'm clicking on next. Okay, so now we are going to customize a profile, adding opening hours and closing hours. For example, if my business is open 24 hours, I'm mentioning 24 hours. You can mention the opening and closing time too. Click on next. Now add messaging. If I want my customers can freely message me, I can click on accept messages, saying next. Then is add business description. I've written a small business profile as of now. I'm going to click next now. Then you have add photos of your business. So I'll click on select photo. I can skip it as of now if I do not have the pic. You can see your edits will be visible once you're verified. Click on continue. Here you can see the dashboard which is visible over here. You can see your business is not visible to customers, obviously because I have not verified it. From here also I can do a lot of changes. If I want to edit my profile, I'm going to click on the very first option. I can easily do the changes over here. You can see every data is visible over here. I can edit the products from here. So if I click on get started, here you can write down the product name, the category of your product price, the amount, good description about the product. You can see over here, and the landing page URL. I had already mentioned if you have a separate URL for any kind of an offer that you are mentioning, it will be really best. I have made a separate video onto that in my digital marketing series. Okay, so here you can add the photo also, and then you can straight away go to publish and publish it. So because I do not have any kind of a product as of now, I'm just simply giving you an example. See, because I have not verified my number, it is not publicly visible. Okay, so here once you do the verification, whole website it is going to be available to you with like minimum possible options over there. A dashboard will be visible with all the possible options, you know, whatever details that you have mentioned. So this is how you can do the Google listing of your business. Because in my case I have given you a simple example, I have not verified the number. If I would have verified it, the whole dashboard would be visible. After that, every process is complete onto it. Okay, so I hope it was clear to you. Go for it. Thank you.